right, this is second grade math lesson 7-6. We're going to be working with reasoning. So we're going to be writing different number stories. So write a number story for this equation. 20 equals something plus something. Then complete the equation to match your story. So let's see, I have a total of 20, and I'm going to have something plus something. I see a little bat there, so I'm going to use that one. Let's see, I see 10 bats. So that would be right there. I see 10 bats. And then 10 more bats fly over. How many bats do I have in all? Question mark. So more lets us know we're adding. We have 10 bats here and 10 bats here. So 10 plus 10 is 20. All right. And again, you can come up with any other equation that you would like to. That's just a sample example. As we do it in class, we'll go over lots of different scenarios. Okay, write a number story for 68 minus 33. Then write an equation to match your story. How can I show what numbers and symbols mean? I think about what the 68, 33, and the minus sign mean in the problem. I can use that to write a story. Subtraction stories can be about separating or about comparing. This story is about separating. Harry finds 68 acorns. He gives 33 acorns to Joyce. How many acorns does Harry have left? 68 minus 33. Subtract to answer the question in the problem. 68 minus 33 equals 35. So Harry has 35 acorns left. 68 minus 33 is 35. So now it says write a number story about comparing 68 minus 33. Now we already know our answer is going to be 35 over there. So we can say, let's start with 68. There are 68 birds, 33 fly away. How many are left? Question mark. Okay, so that's our little number story. We're using the same numbers as we did there. All right, now we're going to be taking a look at this number story here for number 1. Complete the number story, then complete the equation to match the story. Draw a picture to help if needed. So 47 minus 18. So we're going to say Blake collects 47 cans. He recycles 18 cans. How many cans does Blake have now? So we're going to do 47 minus 18. All right, 7 minus 8. 7 minus 8 is not going to work, so we're going to have to regroup. That 4 becomes a 3. That 7 becomes a 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. 3 minus 1 is 2. So he has 29 cans left over. Okay, on the next page, we get to create our own, oops, dropped my tape, number stories. So let's go ahead and look at 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'll grab my tape here. All right, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so write a number story to show the problem. Complete the equation to match your story. So we're going to be doing these. Now again, when we're doing them in class, it'll be different. This is just to help if you are learning from home, miss the lesson, that sort of thing. So our first one is 22 minus 17. So I'm going to say there are 22 cars, and we're subtracting. 17 cars drive away. How many cars are left? How many cars are left? So let's go do that. 22 minus 17. I'm going to stack it and subtract it. 2 minus 7. 2 minus 7 doesn't work, so we have to regroup. That becomes a 1. That becomes a 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. 1 minus 1 is nothing, so we know our answer is 5. Let's take a look at our next one. 84 minus 62. I will say, I have 84 rocks. I give away 62 rocks. I give away 62 rocks. How many rocks are left? How many rocks are left? So we have 84 minus 62 is our equation. All right, let's see. 4 minus 2 is 2. We do not need to regroup. 8 minus 6 is 2. So we have a difference of 22 for number 3. And again, these are all just examples. Okay, these two are subtracting. We have 4 and 5 are adding. So let's do this one here. Let's see. I have 28 cupcakes. And then I buy 12 more. How many cupcakes do I have? So we need to do 28 plus 12. We're going to do 28 plus 12. 8 plus 2 is 10. We're going to regroup that. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 more is 4. So we have a total of 40 cupcakes. And our last one on this page is 39 plus 47. Let's see. There are 39 ants. 47 more ants join them. 47 more ants join them. How many ants are there in all? How many ants are there in all? So we need to add that. 39 plus 47. 9 plus 7 is 16. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 4 more is 8. So we have a sum of 86. All right, let's go into our back page and take a look at our performance assessment question for this one. All right. Toy car collection. The picture at the right shows a toy car collection. Use the picture to write and solve number story problems. So we have some green cars and some yellow cars. Write an addition story about the toy car collection. Well, let's see. I need to see how many green cars I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 16 green cars. And then it looks like these are in groups of 10. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay? I'm going to say Mason has 16 green cars. And Tim has 24 yellow cars. Has 24 yellow cars. How many cars do they have in all? How many cars in all? Okay. Write a subtraction comparison about the story. Let's see. So we wrote addition, 16 plus 24. Now we're going to compare. So let's see. I can say Tim has 24 cars and Mason has 16 cars. How many more cars does Tim have than Mason? How many more cars does Tim have than Mason? Uppercase, I'm sorry. Okay, now number 8 says write an equation for each number story that you wrote in 6 and 7, then solve any way you choose and show your work. So the first one over here, I'm going to do 16 plus 24. This one, I'm going to do 24 minus 16. So these are our two equations that we're working with. All right, let's go ahead and solve these. 6 plus 4 is 10. 0 in the ones place, regroup. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 more is 40. Then 26 minus 16. 4 minus 6 will not work. I'm going to cross it out. That becomes 14. That becomes 1. Let's see, 14 minus 6 is 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. So it's a difference of 8 cars. Great job, everybody.